Hello everyone and welcome once again to MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you. I am your host, your dost, and as usual in the ghost mode, Mohit Jain. Today we would be discussing few questions and the formats of these questions which are regularly asked on TCS level examination, be it NQT or off-campus or BPS Smart Hiring on TCS Iron platform, or you can also get these type of questions in any examination. One of the famous and regularly asked question from HCF LCM. HCF of two numbers is 12. So let the numbers are 12x and 12y such that x and y are co-prime or prime to each other. There is nothing common between x and y except 1. Sum of the numbers is 96. That means 12 into x plus y equals 96. This goes 8 times. X plus y is equals to 8. How many such pair of numbers are possible? We can't take x equals to 0. Value of x and y should lie between 1 to 9. If x is 1, y is 7, and we can see that 1 and 7 are co-prime, prime to each other. If x is 2, y will be 6. They are not prime to each other. X is 3, y is 5. They are prime to each other. And now if we take 4, 4, obviously they are not co-prime. That means only two pairs of numbers are possible. 12 into 1 and 12 into 7. HCF will be 12 and sum of the number would be 96, or 12 into 3 and 12 into 5. HCF would be 12 and the sum of the numbers would be equals to 96. Option A is the pick. The largest 3-digit number which when divided by 7 or 11, that means which when divided by 77, leaves remainder 5 in each case. Largest 3-digit number that we know is 999. If we divide 999 by 77, what we'll get? Into 3, no, 21 and 2, 23, no, into 2. 14, 1, 14, 15. 5, 75 is the remainder we are getting. That means 999 minus 75. That is 924. 924 is divisible by both 7 and 11. But it is leaving remainder 5 in each case. We'll add 5 to it. That means the number we are looking out for is 929. Find the sum of the digits of the number. 9 plus 2 plus 9 equals 9, 9, 18 and 2, 20. So sum of digit is not the digital sum. They are asking about sum of digits. Sum of digit is 20. Digital sum is 2. Option A fits in. A student calculates the HCF and LCM of two positive numbers at m and n. HCF is m and LCM is n. Now it should be clear that LCM should be always divisible by m, and whatever quotient is left, for that quotient we should have decomposition as prime or co-prime numbers. Which of the following cannot be the value of m and n? HCF is 1. 39 is LCM, 39 is divisible by 1 and 39 is 39 into 1. This is possible. 299, we can use calculator quickly. 299 divided by 13 is divisible. We are getting 23, 1 and 23 are co-prime values. 323 divided by 17, done, bingo, we are getting 19. But 341 is not divisible by 22. That means 22 and 341 cannot be the values of m and n. Find the GCD of the numbers A and B. GCD means HCF, highest common factor or greatest common divisor. 2, 3, 5, 11. Here we have 2, 3, 4. 4 is also 2 actually. 4 to the power 3 means 2 to the power 6. So this is into 2 to the power 9 we have. So common between 2 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 9 is 2 to the power 4. Common among 3 is 3 square. Among 5 is 5 to the power 1. 11 common is 11 to the power 1. And there is no common factor for 13 here. So now we just need to multiply. 16 into 9 into 5 into 11. That is 7920. Highest common factor is 7920. That is in option D. X is the least number, the small number, which when divided by 20, 28, 32 and 35, the remainder in each case is 5. And X is divisible by 23. For this, first we need LCM of 20, 28, 32 and 35. So that is 4 into 5, 4 into 7, 4 into 8 and 7 into 5. So we have 4 into 35 into 8 LCM. 4 into 35 into 8. 1120 is the LCM. So the least number which we are looking out for is 1120 plus 5. But we also need to check that this number should be divisible by 23. 1125 when divided by 23, it is not divisible by 23. So I need to find the multiples of 1120. When added up with 5, it should be divisible by 23. So 1120 into 4 if I do plus 5 and divide by 23, it is divisible by 23. So 1120 into 4, 4480. 4480 plus 5, that is 4485 is the least number which when divided by these will leave remainder 5 and this entire number is divisible by 23. Find the sum of digits. 4 plus 4 8 plus 8 16 plus 5. 21 is the sum of digit, that is in option A. Sum of two numbers A and B is 850. If one number is 170, then another number is 850 minus 170. That is 680. What is the difference between HCF and LCM of A and B? 680 divided by 170. Perfectly divisible. It is 170 into 4. That means HCF is 170 and LCM is 680. Difference between HCF and LCM is 680 minus 170, that is 510. Option A fits in. Find the smallest number that leaves respective remainder 4, 5, 6, 7 when divided by 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's first concentrate on the divisor. Divisors are 5, 6, 7, 8. We need to find the LCM of 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 2 into 3 into 7 and this 2 gone. So we are left with 4. So 15 into 2, 30, 210 into 4, that is 840. LCM is 840. 840 is divisible by 5, 6, 7 and 8. But here we can see that when it is divided by 5, remainder is 4. When divided by 6, remainder is 5. When divided by 7, remainder is 6. And when divided by 4, no, divided by 8, remainder is 7. The difference between divisor and remainder in all the cases is 1. When the difference between divisor and remainder is same, we call it residue. In this case, our smallest number is not add the remainder. Smallest number is LCM minus residue, that is 1. 839 would be the smallest number which when divided by 5 leave remainder 4, divided by 6 leave remainder 5, divided by 7 leave remainder 6, and divided by 8 leave remainder 7. Just try to understand. If it is given that they have common remainder a, then smallest number is LCM of divisors plus a. If we can see that they have common residue a, then the smallest number is LCM of all the divisors minus a. In this case, here the residue is same. Residue is divisor minus remainder. Is same in all the cases. So the smallest number is LCM of all the divisors minus a, that is 839. When a, b, c are divided by the greatest number x, the remainder in each case is y. Whenever such type of questions are given, we first need to find the value of a minus b, b minus c, and c minus a. And then we need the HCF of this. That would be the greatest number which when dividing these three will leave same remainder y in each case. So let's begin now finding the values. 4053 minus 3661, we have got 392. Next number 4739 minus 4053, we have 686. And the third number 4739 minus 3661, 1078. HCF of these three numbers will be the greatest number. 686 divided by 392, 1.75. So 686 minus 392, 294. 392 minus 294 is 98. So 294, 98 into 2, 196. 294 minus 196 is 98 again. So the common factor for 392 and 686 is 98. 1078 divided by 98, bingo. 98 is the HCF. Now we have got the value of x. Value of x is 98. And we need the remainder now. 3661 divided by 98, 37 into 98 minus 3661. 35 will be the remainder. Let's check once more. 4053 divided by 98, 41. 41 into 98 minus 4053. Bingo. 35 is the remainder. Value of y is 35. They are asking about now what is the value of 2x minus 3y. 98 into 2, 196 minus 3 into 35, 105. 91. Value of 2x minus 3y is 91. That is in option A. Now what is the method I have used to find HCF is the basic traditional method. We have taken up two numbers, 392, 686. We'll go once, 392, 4, 9, 294. Again, divide 392 by 294 once, 8, 98, 294. It will go how many times? 3 times? 2, yes. 3 times exactly, 3, 8, 24, 2 and 29. So, 98 is common factor between 392 and 696. And now, 1078 is divisible by 98 11 times. We have checked. And hence, HCF is 98. What is the largest 5-digit number that is exactly divisible by 15, 18 and 27? We are looking out for LCM of 15, 18 and 27. 9, 2. This is 3, 2. Sorry, 3, 5. This is 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So once, 2 will get 27 into 10. 270 is the LCM. Largest 5-digit number that we know is 99999. Now simply divide 99999 by 270. Quotient is 370. 370 into 270 is our answer. 99900. So 99900 is divisible by 270, and this is the largest 5-digit number which is exactly divisible by these three. 99900 is in option A. HCF of two numbers is 48 and HCF of other two number is 64. X and Y are prime to each other, A and B are prime to each other. That means not necessarily there is anything common between these two. What is the HCF of all the four numbers? Just find the HCF of 48 and 64. 4 into 12, 4 into, how much? This is 4 into 4, this is 4 into 4 into 3. 16, 16. Both divisible by 16, HCF is 16, option A. HCF of two numbers is 15 and one of the two numbers is 5 times of HCF, that is 75. If the larger number lies between 130 and 190, it is given that B lies between 130 and 190. Which of the following cannot be the LCM of two numbers? You know that HCF into LCM is product of two numbers. So, if HCF is 15 and if we take 150 as LCM, this should be equals to 75 into B. 5 times, and B value would be 30. But it is given that value of B lies between 130 to 190. That means 150 cannot be the LCM. Option A is the pick. Find the smallest number which when divided by 75 or 48 leaves remainder 31 in each case, and the number being greater than the two divisors. Okay, so LCM of 75 and 48 we need to find. 75 is 3 into 5 into 5 and 48 is 2 into 24, 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8 into 2, 16 into 3, 224, 212, yes. So LCM is 48 into 25. The smallest number which is divisible by both 75 and 48 is 48 into 25, and this is equals to 1200. It leaves remainder 31 in both the cases. That means the number we are looking out for is 1231. And obviously the number is greater than the two divisors. 1231. Option A. Three friends running in a circle complete one circle in 5, 6 and 8 minutes respectively. If they all start at the same point, after how many minutes will they be at the starting point together at the first time? Again, they need to meet at the starting point. It is nothing but we need to find the LCM of the times. LCM of 5, 6 and 8. That is 5 into 2 into 3 into 4. 12 into 10. 120 minutes. After every 120 minutes, all the three would be there at the starting point. Option A is the pick here. A person packs 4, 6 or 7 pizzas in a box. In each case, he gets 2 pizzas. But when he packs 13 pizza in a box, he is left with none. Find the minimum number of pizzas. The number we are looking out for when divided by 4, 6 or 7 leaves remainder 2, but it is perfectly divisible by 13. Let's go with the options. Let's see which of this following answer is divisible by 13. This is 13 into 15, 13 into 5, 13 into 11, 13 into 26. All the numbers are divisible by 13. Now 43 minus 2 will give 141. It is not divisible by 4. 65 minus 2 is 63, which is not divisible by 4. 195 minus 2 is 193. 193 is again not divisible by 4. 338 minus 2 is 336. Okay, 36 is divisible by 4. 6 plus 6 is 12, is divisible by 2 and 3. 7 is 28 and 56. It is divisible by 7. The smallest number or the number out of the 4 option is 338. This we have used options, but actually how to find it? First we need to find the LCM of 4, 6 and 7. That will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. That is 21 into 4. That is 84. So 84x plus 2 is divisible by 13. We just need to pick up the value of x. 185 is not. Then 84 into 2 plus 2, 170. 84 into 3 plus 2. 84 into 4 plus 2 is 338, which is divisible by 13. So if x is equals to 4, we'll get a number 338, which will be the smallest number, which is divisible by 3. We have done one of such kind of question previously also. But in these kind of question, if you can apply logic with options, very quickly you can find the answer if they are looking out for smaller numbers like that. Five gunshots were fired together at 7 a.m. Then they are fired at an interval of 10, 12, 15, 20 and 25 seconds respectively. At what time will they be shot third time together, excluding the time they were fired at the start? So they will be fired together. For that we need LCM of their time interval. We need LCM of these 5 numbers. 2 into 5, 2 into 2 into 4, 3, 5 into 3, 2, 2, 4, 5 and 5 into 5. So first common is 2, then we have 5 into 5, let me take 25, we have 2 into 3 is 6. So 50 into 3, after every 300 seconds, all the 5 sound you will hear together. 300 seconds means 5 minutes. So their sound will be heard together again at 705 for the first time, then at 710 second time and 715 for the third time. Question is at what time they will be shot third time together, excluding the time, excluding 7 a.m. They were fired at the start, that is at 7 a.m. So at 7:15 we would be hearing them all together for the third time. Option A is the pick. Okay, on to the last sample question of this particular session. I hope you people must be going through every question and do it. They do ask a question from HCF LCM. A person P slides after every 60 seconds. Another person Q slides after every 66 seconds. And R slides after every 72 seconds. They slide together at 6 p.m. So the time which we are looking out for when they would be sliding again is nothing but LCM of 60, 66 and 72. This is 6 into 10, 6 into 11, 6 into 12. Let's make it 2 and 5, 2 and 6. 6 to 12 into 11 into 30. So we have got 12 into 11 into 30 seconds divided by 60. That means it is 66 minutes. LCM is 66 minutes. That is 1 hour, 6 minutes. They slide together at 6 p.m. They will slide again together at 7:06 p.m. Option A is the pick.